Hey, what's going on today, YouTube, my family and my friends? I just wanted to show y'all these Rhinestone shirts that I saw in Atlanta at the Cobb show. Man. I don't know if y'all familiar with these brands yet, but they definitely exclusive. I'm sure y'all probably already saw this one. You know, but this is one of mine, you know, that I designed and created myself. Wait till y'all see these other brands. Y'all gonna be like, yeah, it's exclusive. Check it out. Oh, that one's slick. Look at that one. We doing this shit fast. That one's slick. Then the green one. Then the gray one. Then the yellow one. Hold on. Look at this one. These will be in stores coming soon, y'all. Trying to get some of the ones I ain't seen yet. Like that one is lit. Oh yeah. The black card. Oh, that one's slick. Yeah. Look at that one with the bomb on it. Oh, now this one right here is nice. Oh yeah. Look at that. Sick. Sick. Look at that one.
That's pretty.
Lit. Look at that one.
Man. Oh my God.
That one would have been live if they would have made the tongue red.
Yeah. Those are different stones? I'm sorry.
Nope.
Same size.
It's different colors.
Yeah. And those is what? SS what?
SS10s.
Them look smaller though. Oh, okay.
Ooh. Hold on. Let me get that one. Look at that one. Oh, MG.
That's hard.
Shit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's in the game.
Yeah, the competition is fierce, y'all.
Oh, yeah, that's in the game. That's in the game. Let me see that shirt you got right there. Oh, that's hard.
Oh,
That's hard.
that's dope. What it say? Avenue George V.
I wonder what kind of stones they are. They don't make no difference.
He got the tatted money sign on his face. Yeah, whoever designing this, look now this shit right here. Look, I believe that's another one.
Yeah, that's a whole different one. That's hard.
Now this right here, I believe you can go get the flock. That's flock, and it's just cut out and pressed on there.
Right. Oh shit! I got up again.
Look at them. Facts. Look at them purple ones right there. Oh yeah.
These hard, bro. I like it.
These right here. Look at these.
That's for the LBCQ.
See, this is what I was looking for. I was looking for an actual sneaker with the stones on it though. I ain't seen none. They got these, you know, them styles all studded up, but I'm talking about the sneakers. Like if these would have had stones on it. I like how they did these.
Oh, that's hard. Look how the light flashed like that.
Huh?
The light was flashing like that.
Yeah, that's
hard.
That's hard.
And then look, you see where they stopped? They didn't even bring it all the way to the car.
Right.
So they can make sure it be on there nice and even. That's decent.